everyone, welcome back to another Cricut DIY Wednesday. Alright, for DIY number 1, I have this vase and I taped it off with some painter's tape because I'm going to use some of this black acrylic paint and paint going right around the bottom part of our vase. Hey everyone, welcome back, like I said before, to another Cricut DIY Wednesday. And today I am doing some boho theme decor. Yeah, I like that decor theme, you know. So I'm gonna put my little twist on it and do 2 decor to share with you. Okay, now our vase is all dry. So I'm going to add some of this bling ribbon to it. And I'll just be using some hot glue to glue the ribbon going right around our vase. Everything that I'm using on today's 2 DIYs will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to go out and check and see what I use and where I got them from. And these are 2 vinyls that I will be using for today's first vase. So as usual, I got my pattern, send it to my Cricut to be cut. And then I'm going to weed both designs. Okay, so here's our vase all done. So I cleaned off the surface with some rubbing alcohol, and now I'm laying down our first image that we cut with the Cricut machine. So I'm just laying it down, and then I'm taking my scraper and burnishing it onto our vase. I'm gonna scrape it well. And then we're just gonna peel the transfer tape off. And there we go. So now here is our second part of our design, the flower part. So I'm just gonna line it up as best as possible. And I'm gonna cut some slits in it to help it lay down a little better. And then we're just going to burnish the decor onto our vase. Scrape it very well. And then we're going to peel back and take off the transfer tape. And here is our first decor. I love how it turned out. I think it looks so nice. Now I did use the blue. The blue is a glitter vinyl. I love how it turned out. A lovely piece of decor for spring. So easy it is to get images off of our Cricut in Cricut Design Space, have it cut, and then add it to our decor. And when we add them to the simple things that we got from the dollar store, it makes them look like $1,000,000. So leave me a comment and tell me what you think of our boho design number 1. And now it's time for DIY number 2. And again, I taped off our vase with some painter's tape. And I'll be using the black paint again to paint the bottom part of our vase. So I'll just be painting right around, and I'll set it aside to dry for a few hours. And now we have this candle holder here, and I'll be painting it with some gold paint. And I'll just be painting it all around, and then I'll set it aside to dry. And these are the 2 vinyls I'll be using for DIY number 2. So I'll just get my image and then send it to my Cricut to be cut. Okay, here's our vase all dry. So here is our first image that I'll be laying down. So we just put it on our vase. And I did cut the image going up the center to help place it a little better. So now we're going to take our scraper and just burnish our image onto our vase. And then we're just going to pull back our transfer tape. And there we go. And now for our second image, we're just going to line it up where we want it to go. Just take your time and line up your decor. And this one was a little easier to lay down. So now I'm just going to take the scraper and burnish it down to our vase. Scrape it well. And then we're just going to pull back our transfer tape. And now we have one more piece, which is these leaves here for this boho design. So we're going to do the same thing again. Lay it onto our vase. Burnish it down with our scraper. And then we just peel back the transfer tape. And then, okay, here's the bottom part of our candle holder. So we're just going to use some E6000 and glue the two pieces together. Now, this gold does not match the champagne gold that I have on the boho design. I just realized that. So I think what I'm going to do is go back in with this champagne gold that I do have. I didn't realize it was the same color as the boho design that I had from before. So I'm just going to paint over the gold. See the difference in the color? The bottom part is the champagne. The top part is the regular gold, which is a nice gold. But we need the champagne gold for this one. And here is the look for DIY number 2. Doesn't it look nice? And now the bottom piece is the exact same color as the top piece of our boho design. The champagne gold. And I love how it looks. This boho design is nice and elegant. And oh, it's such a nice clean cut. I love it. And did you guys notice I did not add any bling? Are you guys taking it in? I did not add any bling to this because this piece just stands out on its own. It's absolutely beautiful. Does not need no bling to add any glamour to it because it's glammed out all on its own. I love it. I absolutely love it. And all using my Cricut Explorer 3. Yeah. In Cricut Design Space, they have so much things for you to choose from to do lovely DIYs with. And that's my goal, to show you guys all that they have. Yeah. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY. How did I do? Do you guys like the 2 DIYs I presented for you today? I hope you do. And remember, I upload videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. So that's all your girls got for you today. So remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.